Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Anu from Miraki Home Studio. For those of you who are new here, we are a home interior design studio based out of Hyderabad. Today, we are going to be talking about one of my favorite design elements, artworks and paintings, and how these are not just decorative but can be a powerful design tool to completely transform a space. So when we think about highlighting a wall while doing an interior design, the first things that come to our minds is wall panels or some texture paint finishes or even stone cladding. These can look really good and can be stunning, but they are more on the pricing aspect. They are on the higher side and can be more expensive. And having said that, not to mention, they are also sometimes heavy and permanent and something that you can't change frequently. And sometimes it also becomes impractical if the space is smaller or for rental purpose. That's where artworks or paintings come in. A well-chosen painting or a customized piece of art can add the similar kind of aesthetic, depth, character, and drama to a room, which comes with the wall paneling. Sometimes the artwork can actually elevate it more, and also while saving the cost, of course. So let's break it down to the pros of this concept of designing and how this powerful design tool can be used while you're doing interior design. Number one, the personalization. A piece of art allows you to reflect your personality or tell your story when you are putting up it in your space. And it has variations. So it could be a bold abstract piece, or it could be a serene landscape, or even a cultural print. These can immediately add soul to the space. So that's about how it can be personalized. Number two, the flexibility that comes with it. So an artwork or a piece of art is very easy to move or change or rotate, with seasons or with your mood. So you can very easily update your space without doing any major renovation. Number three, the visual impact of these paintings or artworks. So a piece of art or a large canvas on a wall can simply, draw the eye and can be a very strong focal point. It basically, defines the zones and creates that strong focal point that can simply highlight the wall, which can be even more than a wall treatment or a wall panel. And also, you should never be afraid to use oversized artworks or paintings. A large canvas or a large painting above a sofa or a console table can simply elevate the space in a very bold and beautiful way and very effortlessly. The fourth and the most important point, the cost effectiveness of this. You can go for artworks which do not have to cost you a fortune. Basically, they don't have to be very expensive. You can go for simple customizations with some artist. You can go for prints. That's the most convenient and economic way of doing artworks. You can go and support the local artists and buy paintings from them, or you can even do your own DIY canvases, and all while staying within your budget. So you can think of it in this way. You are getting that rich designed look, but without overspending and without getting that extra weight or permanence to that space, and all this while saving you some money. So if you are looking for a smart and stylish way or alternative to these heavy wall highlights, definitely consider in investing in customized artworks. These can add elegance, warmth, and can elevate your space, very effortlessly. And a huge bonus there is that it's portable. You are moving to a new home, redecorating a new room. Just take your artwork with yourself. You can't just say that for MDF panels or stone cladding, right? So yeah, do let me know if this was helpful, and if you liked the video. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more interior design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.